Okay guys, what's up? I'm here at Costco. It's Jessie Lee. I have two things that you can actually make little sandwiches and roll-ups with. What's up YouTube? It's Jessie Lee. You can call me #BOSSLEE, and I hope you love the video you're about to see. I'm pretty sure you will, because it's always content over here. I want to tell you about a couple other things, specifically one that you can also get some more value from, and all you need to do, and you can do it now, just pause this video, is go ahead and text YouTube to 844-277-9762. I'm going to be really upping the text game, and it's literally me texting you back. So if you want to have a more one-on-one conversation with me, enjoy the video, subscribe, comment below, and make sure you text YouTube again to 844-277-9762. You can put your cheese, your meat, your mayonnaise, your butter, your whatever you want to, your lettuce, your spinach in these. First one that I really like are these Parmesan folio wraps. You can make these instead of bread into tortillas. So there's all kinds of different ideas on the back. It ends up having one carbohydrate, this whole thing. And it's just cow's milk, salt, and enzymes. So that's literally it. The other option that is always at our Costco are these egg wraps with cauliflower. Zero carbohydrates. So you can use this for wraps, buns, breads, taco shells, crepes, pancakes, whatever you want, but it's just egg wraps and cauliflower. Now, I have never eaten these, but I know they're keto. So if you're looking for a quick keto thing instead of wrapping it in a tortilla or a piece of bread, great options here at Costco. Okay, Starbucks, no shade, but for those of you who have gone to Starbucks and you've gotten their egg and bacon bites, check it. It's, I think, 9 carbohydrates. These are not. These are actually keto, although they're gonna be a little bit dirty keto because they do have just a lot of extra pasteurized stuff in there. But in general, you are looking at, let's read this, you have 1 carbohydrate per serving. So these are great for those of you with kids if you just want to pop it in the microwave. They're super, super yummy. You can just salt them, but they are the cheese and uncured bacon egg bites. They're super good. They taste just like the Starbucks ones, but they actually don't have carbs. I'm on to you, Starbucks. I'm on to you.